I am Suman from class 7th. Today my topic is lines and angles. Firstly, we want to know about lines and angles. So what is line segment? A line segment is a part of a line. It has two end points. Example, it has line segment because it has two end points A and B. Second, angles. An angle is the figure found by two rays with common starting point. Example, it has the figure found by two rays because it's starting from common point. So it is called angle. Different types of angle. Firstly, complementary angles. When the sum of two angles is 90 degrees is called complementary angle. Example, (45° and 45°). The sum of two angles is 45 plus 45 is equals to 90 degrees. So it is called complementary angle. Second, supplementary angles. Those angles that sum up to 180 degrees is called complementary angle. Supplementary angle. Example, the sum of angle 90 degree plus 90 degree is equals to 180 degree. So it is called supplementary angle. And third, vertically opposite angle. When two lines intersect, the vertically opposite angle so formed are equal. Example, give this value 1 1 2. It's look like same. So it is called vertically opposite angle. Fourth, angles on a straight line. The sum of the angles that are formed on a straight line. It is always 180 degree. It is called angle on a straight line. Example, the sum of angle 90 degree plus 45 degree plus 45 is equals to 180 degree. So it is called angles on a straight line. Angles around a point. The angles around a point add to 360 degree. It is called angles around a point. Example, (80 degree). The sum of all angles is equals to 360 degree. So it is called angle around. Fifth, angle around a point. The angle around a point add to 360 degree. So it is called angle around a point. Example, the sum of angle is equals to 360 degree. So it is called angle around a point. So my topic is completed. So any doubt, class? I ask me any question. Aditi, stand up. Tell me what is angle.
figure which is formed by two rays or lines that share a common
Sit down. Suryans, stand up. What is line segment? What is line segment? Sit down. Saksham, stand up. What is vertically opposite angle?
Opposite side of an angle is called vertically opposite angle.
Sit down. Vikas, stand up. Tell me angle on a straight line. Thank you, class.
Good morning everyone. My name is Aditi Moria. I am from class 6. Today my topic is angle. Angle, a figure which is formed by two rays, two lines that shares a common end point. First, acute angle. This shape is acute angle, an angle which is measured than greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Second, right angle. This shape is right angle, an angle which is measured 90 degree is called right angles. Third, obtuse angle. This shape is obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Fourth, straight angle. This shape is straight angle, and a straight angle which is measured 180 degree is called straight angle. Fifth, reflex angle. This shape is reflex angle. An angle which measures greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree is called reflex angle. 6, complete angle. This shape is complete angle. An angle which is measured 360 degree is called complete angle. Now my topic is complete. Any doubt, class? You tell me the complete angle.
An angle which measures 360 degrees is called complete angle.
Dipshika, you tell me the reflex angle.
An angle measured greater than 180 degree and less than 90 degrees called reflex angle.
Suman, you tell me the acute angle.
An angle whose measure greater than 0 and less than 90 degrees called acute angle.
Yogita, you tell me the obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle is measured greater than 0 degree and greater than 90 degree.
Obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. The straight angle.
The angle which measured 180 degree is called straight angle.
Suryansh, stand up. You tell me the complete angle.
An angle which measure is 360 degrees is called an complete angle.
Vikas, stand up. You tell me the right angle.
An angle which measure 90 degrees is called right angle.
Thank you.
Good morning class, I am Yogita from class 7. Today is my presentation. So my presentation topic is triangle. So first let's start. We know about what is triangle. What is triangle? A triangle is it has three polygons that has three vertex, angles and sides. The sum of interior angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Type of triangle. It is classified two types. First, based on side. So first equilateral triangle. What is equilateral triangle? First we made equilateral triangle and given value. So all sides are equal. It is called equilateral triangle. Definition of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a triangle which all sides are equal. Second, isosceles triangle. We made isosceles triangle. And given value. Scalene triangle is two sides are equal and one side are unequal. Third is scalene triangle. And given value. Scalene triangle, all sides are unequal. It is called scalene triangle. And now we know about based on angles. First, acute angle. We know about acute angle is less than 90 degree. We make this type of acute angle. Acute angle triangle. Second is right angle triangle. We know about right angle is equal to 90 degree. We make this right angle. It is called right angle. And third is obtuse angle. We know about obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree. It is called obtuse angle. This is in my presentation topic, and I ask a question for any students of class 6. Ask stand up, Suman. What is equilateral triangle?
An angle in which all sides are equal is called equilateral triangle.
Sit down. Jyoti, stand up. What is scalene triangle?
A triangle in which all three sides are different is called scalene triangle.
Sit down. Aditi, stand up. What is isosceles triangle?
And triangle which is two sides are equal and one side unequal is called isosceles triangle.
Good. Sit down. Saksham, stand up. What is acute angle triangle?
A triangle which measure is less than 90 degrees called acute angle triangle.
Sit down. Suryansh, stand up. What is right angle triangle?
An angle which measure is 90 degrees is called a right angle triangle.
Sit down. Vikas, stand up. What is obtuse angle?
Obtuse angle triangle. A triangle which greater than 90 degrees is called obtuse angle triangle.
Sit down. Any doubt of class? Thank you.